Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this tutorial, we'll introduce you to the chat section, a centralized hub for managing two-way messaging, customer interactions, and automation. The chat section is designed to help you engage with customers, streamline communication, and drive personalized experiences. It includes 5 key areas. Chats is your live conversation window. Here, you can view and manage all ongoing and past customer chats in real time. The Customers section displays your list of opted-in recipients. You can view customer profiles, interaction history, and segmentation details. Build and manage your automated conversations in the chatbot section. Use flows to create responses based on user actions and keywords. The Channel Manager shows all available messaging channels. MessageWhiz supports SMS, RCS, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber, and WeChat. You can manage multiple use cases on each chat platform. For example, one WhatsApp channel for sales, another for support, and one for OTPs. Keywords are customer responses that trigger automated flows. This section lets you manage your keyword list and the workflows they activate. Together, these tools help you build a powerful, responsive, and automated chat experience. Thank you for using MessageWhiz. For more tutorials, visit our website or contact our support team.